राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम। भारत के मुख्य न्यायाधीश एनवी रमन्ना ने रविवार को राष्ट्रीय कानूनी सेवा प्राधिकरण नालसा को पुलिस अधिकारियों के राष्ट्रव्यापी संवेदीकरण करने के लिए कहा। न्याय तक पहुंच परियोजना को एक अनंत मिशन बताते हुए सीजीआई ने कहा कि कानून द्वारा शासित समाज बनाने के लिए अत्यधिक विशेषाधिकार प्राप्त और सबसे अधिक गरीब के बीच न्याय तक पहुंच के अंतर को पाटना आवश्यक है। अगर एक संस्था के रूप में न्यायपालिका नागरिकों का विश्वास हासिल करना चाहती है तो उसे सभी को आश्वस्त करना होगा कि वह उसके लिए मौजूद है। न्यायमूर्ति रमन्ना ने यह सभी बातें नालसा द्वारा विजन और मिशन स्टेटमेंट के लॉन्च के अवसर पर कही। इस दौरान नालसा द्वारा तैयार लीगल सर्विसेज ऐप का भी शुभारंभ किया गया। इस अवसर पर न्यायमूर्ति यूयू ललित व नालसा के अधिकारीगण उपस्थित रहे। आपको बता दें कि भारतीय चीफ जस्टिस एनवी रमन्ना नालसा के पैटर्न इन चीफ भी हैं।
All legal services which we NALSA is providing, for example, filing of legal aid application, mediation applications, as we are the instrumental in providing mediation because we are already running more than 575 mediation centers and there are 474 ADR centers across the country. Similarly, if anybody, any victim of the crime desires to apply online for victim compensation, then it can also be applied. NALSA is already operating LSMS portal, which has also been facelifted, and any application which is filed on LSMS, it can be tracked, or if anybody want to send any reminder, then same can be sent. This app is presently available for Android users and within couple of days it can be downloaded from Google Play Store. Thereafter, in coming days, nearly in 2 months, we will make it available in regional languages and also for iOS users. The name of the app is Legal Services App. Anyone after downloading, he is having a page like this. Page like this.
Namaskar. At the outset, I must thank my esteemed brother, Justice Lalit, for inviting me and involving me to the part of this event. Having been the chairman of NALSA, the activities of NALSA are very close to my heart. Today, we gathered here to release NALSA's vision and mission statement as well as legal services app. Incidentally, today is a very important day in the history of India. That is 8th August, exactly 79 years back, marked the turning point of the Indian freedom struggle. Our freedom fighters under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi overthrew a power which only gave them a dominion status. It was this deep-rooted desire to end inequality and discrimination that led the masses to call for the Quit India movement. The concept of free legal aid to the needy has its roots in the freedom movement. Those days, the legal luminaries rendered pro bono activities and services to the freedom fighters who are targeted by the colonial rulers. This spirit of service found reflection in the Constitution, with those very same legal luminaries serving as members of the Constituent Assembly. Today, I pay my humble respects to our freedom fighters who shaped the constitutional vision of justice. As the years progressed, the need was felt to institutionalize the mechanism for extending the legal aid to the needy poor. Thus, the Act, that is the Legal Service, Indian National Legal Service Act, came into force in 1987. The legal aid movement, which was started 25 years ago, has gained momentum. Undoubtedly, ours is one of the largest legal aid systems in the world. We cover 75% of the population of the country. Although a majority of our population is eligible for the aforesaid services, it is undeniable truth that still there are significant barriers in accessing the relevant legal information. Hence, events like today assumes great importance. If we want to remain as a society governed by rule of law, it is imperative for us to bridge the gap of accessibility to justice between the highly privileged and the most vulnerable. For all times to come, we must trust and we must remember that the realities of socio-economic diversity which prevail in our nation cannot even ever a bar or a reason for denial of rights. Let our past not determine our future. Let us dream of a future based on legal mobility, a future where equality is a reality. That is why the project Access to Justice is an unending mission. If, as an institution, the judiciary wants to garner the faith of the citizens, we must make to everyone feel assured that we exist for them. For the longest time, the vulnerable population has lived outside the system of justice. The prevailing obstacles like lengthy, painstaking and expensive formal judicial process add to the woes of the realizing the goals of access to justice. As an institution, the toughest challenge before us is to break these barriers first. Now coming to the main agendas of today's event, it is my absolute delight to unveil our vision for the future and Legal Aid Services app. I have been informed this app is going to be compulsorily installed in the mobile phones of the entire workforce of legal service institutions, who will be able to submit a legal aid application within few seconds from any place in the country. Despite the COVID pandemic, we have successfully been able to continue our legal aid services. With the introduction of such technological tools, we have ensured that any such future challenges shall not hamper the work of the legal aid institutions.